Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome back. So today we're going to do adventures. We will check some pools here in Sorsogon. So let's see guys. Okay guys, we're already near at Zoe's Resort and Eco Adventure. So that is the falls. I will show the falls. So that is all the falls, Kambal Busay, Hidden Falls, Sulugan. So, okay, I think we can go only to the two falls because the other falls is 30 minutes away from this. We need to walk. What's up? Yeah. So that is the entrance fee, 150 for adult, 4 to 12 years is 100, and PWD and senior citizen is 120. Open around 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. We're going na to Kambal Busay and Hidden Falls. We pay already the entrance fee, 300 pesos.
150 per person.
Yeah, 150. Space, huh? You have pools there, and I think this one also. I don't know if you have pools on the cottage. There, baby, there. So we can park this. Kuya will guide us. So okay, guys, we already arrived here in Zoe Eco and Adventure Resort. It's falls. So I'm waiting to Kevin. He go to the bathroom. He's there, and there's a showing that he said men to the left because women are always right. Yeah, that's correct. So we're going to Radina and we will go down to the falls.
Okay, so we got 118 steps going down to this falls. Don't look too bad.
You can hear the water.
Yeah, you can definitely hear the water.
Wow.
As usual, down is always going to be easier than up.
Oh, can you hold this a bit? Sorry. I need hands, that's why. Wow, that's so good.
There's some of the falls right there. This is going to be fun. I messed up my hip flexor, my iliac I think it's called, at the gym. So my hip isn't going to be happy with me at the end of this. There's the falls. A little river coming from over there. There's Sella way ahead of me. All right, almost there. Hold on, babe, I can't hear you.
I think this one, I think guys, this is the Kambal Busay. So that is the Kambal Busay Falls and that is the Hidden Falls. We will go there later.
Hidden Falls.
Yeah.
Hidden Falls, she was pointing in this direction.
Yeah. So we will try the water. We're gonna swim.
Oh, it's awfully cold.
Yes. It's too cold. It's very cold, guys. You can feel it, you know. Babe.
So there's the stairs. She's going to continue down. I just want to get some video from here. It's beautiful. Alright, so hopefully I don't have a heart attack from the cold water. Let's head down there. With it being enclosed down here, the water is definitely very loud. So there's a river. A little bit of rapids right there. And there's the falls.
Nice. You can get the water there.
Oh, she's in the water. Is it cold? We'll take a peek over here. Got a lot of spray over here, trying to keep that off the camera. A little falls over here. Pretty cool.
Hidden Falls, no? Or we stay here?
I want to feel what the water feels like.
Okay. So Kevin now we're trying the water. It's cold, guys. It's very cold, right? It's like an ice. Just be careful, baby. Okay, guys. We will do swim and we will go to the Hidden Falls later.
Okay, we're at the Hidden Falls right now. We just came from that direction. And here's the Hidden Falls. Coming from that direction. I'm not sure how deep that is. I don't think I want to know. All the water goes that way. Oh, looks like Stella's going swimming. Looked a little cold. Okay, we're heading back up. Looks like she's got a bunch of energy. She's running. Hold on 1 second. So last look. Got some people. And this was a good time. I would definitely recommend this place if you're in the area. Alright, long climb up now. See if my hip flexor holds up. Starting to feel it a little bit. There's Sella. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, it's leg day.
See the water coming from the
Oh. What's that?
The water.
Yeah. Holy cow.
Oh. I survived. She said, I survived
118 steps.
But I'm with you.
Whew. Cardio. Sucks. All right.
Okay guys, second destination, Dancalan Beach Park. So after that falls, we go to beach in Dancalan Beach Park. So we already pay our entrance and parking. So we're going. Yeah. That's it. The park maybe here, right? Just here? Yeah, just there. Okay. Or with the Hamor. So or here, so at least us only. Okay, this is the beach, guys. It's in Bulusan, Sorsogon. They called it Dancalan Beach here in Bulusan. Ouch! So there's a lot of cottage if you want to stay here for a long time and with family. So there's a cottage there.
That's
But
pergola.
yeah, family. But us, we put only our bike there. So have 20 pesos for payment for the parking. 20 pesos. And for the entrance, adult is 40 pesos each. So we pay 100 pesos. So this is the beach. There's a lot of people. Yeah. So we already done here, guys, in Dancalan. We didn't swim because the water is not deep enough. Like
It's shallow.
it's shallow.
Out quite far. It's not
So-
not even to my knee.
Yeah. So Recidencia del Hamor, we will do some lunch there. Then after that, we go to another beach. Maybe we can swim there.
Itlog pugo, ma'am.
So that's... Magkano kuya ang pugo?
25 po.
So that's it. See for our third destination. Okay, guys, we are in Hacienda del Amor. We stop here to do lunch. So Kevin is inside now while we are waiting lunch. Some video. So this is the Hacienda del Amor. They have pools, cottage, and that is also the restaurant. So they have also here a room. You can check that online. The beach today is very blue. And that is the swimming pool. Actually, they have 3 branch here in Sorsogon. It's located in Casiguran and Bacon. So we go inside the restaurant. There's another pool there. So Kevin is laughing. Sorry, I always follow. So this Kevin. So we are waiting our food. This is their menu. Why are you laughing?
I thought you were gonna fall.
So what you gonna tell about this place?
Very clean, nice place. Little on the expensive side for the Philippines. Room for one night is 11,500 pesos for 2 people. That includes a breakfast. I haven't looked at the pool yet. I haven't seen the rooms to see what they look like. View of the ocean is beautiful.
Yeah, that's the view.
Yeah, they got a retaining wall out there. I'm not sure if it's rocky on the other side, so I think they're calling the beach this sandy area. Right there. And service people seem to be great. And we'll let you know how the food is. I think that's all I got.
Yeah, this is the what? Philadelphia rolls?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You want to put calamansi?
You can if you want.
My mango shake. And that one. This is our food. Yang chow fried rice and a shrimp. Coconut shrimp. And this is a pork belly with honey. So that's our food.
Hi guys, it's actually, what are you doing?
No, I'm checking your mic.
It's actually a couple days later. We had a good time. The falls was great. Lunch was very good. We left lunch and we were actually going to head to another beach. And we got almost there and I looked down, I noticed my arms were a little red. So we actually discontinued that day. We decided to turn around and head back home just because I wanted to get out of the sun because I definitely had enough. So but it was a good time.
Yeah. That we just expecting to swim on the beach, but it's too hot, right?
Yeah, it was way too sunny. Then there was no shade anywhere, so it just I didn't want to risk getting any more sun, especially being this light skin.
But good, there's a lot of resort that is in Santa Magdalena, Sorsogon. It's in Matnog also. I know they see already the Matnog is like a Boracay, right? They have a very nice, clear.
Yeah, nice beaches,
So-
white sandy beaches, the water's blue, aqua. Yeah, it's very, very, very nice there. So if you are in this area, that would definitely be a place I would recommend
Yeah.
you go and spend some time there. So,
Maybe we
but,
go there one.
but to get to the nice beaches, you actually have to take a boat,
Yeah,
right?
to the island,
To the island.
the Matnog. Like you need to go to the port. We've been there when Kevin's birthday, your birthday.
Yeah, one of my
right?
previous
60.
birthdays.
When you're 60?
I don't know, one of my
Oh,
previous
60.
birthdays. It doesn't matter.
So we've been there, like we stay one night and we do island hopping and we need to go back. It's so nice, right? But it's not same like you can drive there. You need to, if you have a car, you need to leave your car at the port.
Yes.
And some of the resort, they giving some already included on the package if you will go to their resort.
Okay, yeah, it's included.
Yeah, it's included. They will pick you up at the port and bring you on the resort, the other island. So it's nice, very nice.
Yeah.
Really. So
Okay.
maybe one time we will go there, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
But we are planning to go another beaches here in Bacon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So-
We're gonna start doing some more traveling for sure.
Okay guys, thank you again.
Okay, everybody.
God bless.
All right. Looking forward to your comments. Thanks for the comments on the
Yeah, there's a lot.
on the other video. Do appreciate it.
Thank you so much, guys.
I think that's it. We out. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.